Baby, give me body, cause it be like say you done day long. And it no go funny, cause I be waiting on you like all night long.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful twist right here. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I am really excited to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful passion, or you can call it spring twist. I don't know what they call it, but you can call it passion, spring, whatever twist that suits you. But I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful twist. I absolutely love the way it turned out. One thing I will say is, to be able to get this twist right, you have to watch the video very well and at least understand how you go about the twisting. To be honest, it took me some time to be able to get used to getting the twist right, so just watch the video very well. It's going to be a very detailed tutorial. Just watch it very well so you know exactly how to twist it to get this type of result. So I used 5.5 packs to achieve this style. I decided to do the crochet method because it's easier to do. I can't just imagine myself sitting down and braiding this twist on my hair one at a time. I can't imagine it, so that's why I prefer doing the crochet in the middle. So at my own convenience, when I have the time, I twist the hair, the ones I'm going to crochet, and then the day I have the time, I just the twist in front, it's not that much. And the good thing about this is that you can put it in a bun, you can put it in a ponytail, you can style it anyhow you want it. I absolutely love this hair, and this hair is going to last for a very long time. So the crochet braid I used to achieve this style is this crochet braid, this Brazilian water coil crochet braid, and it's 18 inches, and the color is, and this is the color T1B, which is T1 burgundy. So you guys can see the way it turned out. What do you guys think? Do you like it? This is the first time I'm trying this passion twist, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to rock it, like seriously. So that's what it's gonna be for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, this t-shirt came with the package, and also a crochet lash hook. I used 5.5 packs of hair to achieve this style. So I just took one strand and I didn't cut it into half. I just took one strand and then I twist with one strand. So this is what the twisted ones look like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I twist it. So I'm gonna take a strand and then I'll apply my Dax hair cream on my fingers to make it easier for me to twist. As you guys can see, I'm making my twist tight, and as I twist it, at interval I stop and take more hair cream, as a more Dax hair cream, and then I apply on my fingers and I keep on twisting. Loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. What I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I... So this is what the twist looks like. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and do my braiding pattern. So right here, I'm gonna take out some hair in front that I'm gonna do single braids on. And I'm gonna go ahead and cornrow the rest.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door.
So this is what my braiding pattern looks like. Very, very simple. So right here, I'm gonna start braiding the hair in front. So I'm going to show you guys two ways that you can braid your hair. This way, I'm just going to take the strand and split it into two, as you guys can see. So my hair is going to add as the third strand that I'm going to use to braid the root of my hair, like so. So after braiding the root, right here, I'm just going to split my hair into two, and then I'm going to share it equally to the strands of the hair. Well, I'm going to do that using jam gel. So I'm going to use it to slick my hair into the strands, and then I'm going to start twisting. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So this time I'm gonna take a strand and then I'm gonna share it into two and then cross it over like so. And I'm gonna do like a basic cornrow. I'm gonna split my own natural hair into three and then do like a cornrow on the root of the hair.
For you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you.
So So when I get to an extent, I'm going to split the hair into 2 equal half, and then I'm going to take my jam, apply on my finger, and then twist very well. So right now I'm going to crochet the twist to my hair. So once I'm done with it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my jam on my edges.
Loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you.
And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
When